In 1900, Nikola Tesla began an ambitious project, the Wardenclyffe Tower. His vision? To transmit both messages and power through the Earth itself, reaching any point on the globe. But the tower was never completed, and its exact working principles remain shrouded in mystery. This is why I started Wardenclyffe Research, to uncover Tesla's original plans. Recently, this investigation led me down an unexpected rabbit hole. It began when the Corums brothers published a YouTube video suggesting Tesla's tower would have used Zenek waves. While their presentation was compelling, I noticed several inconsistencies with Tesla's actual work and posted a response video explaining these issues. What happened next was bizarre. Two new YouTube accounts materialized, supposedly a Princeton engineering student and a professor, both rushing to defend the Corums.
Oh, no. No. No, Charlie, no. That's,
Then came a 72-page rebuttal from the Corums themselves, forwarded by Mark Cypher. They even pointed me to a response video from a previously unknown Russian professor, his first and only video, who mysteriously appeared just to contest my findings. The most intriguing part? When you look carefully at the Corums' lengthy response, despite its antagonistic tone, it actually supported many of my original points. After I highlighted these contradictions in a follow-up video, most opposition went quiet, except for the mysterious Russian professor who suddenly changed his credentials to student and posted a response that revealed his limited understanding of the subject. But here's the real question. Why such fierce resistance to exploring Tesla's actual technology? Conventional wisdom, based on Maxwell's equations, says it's impossible to send messages through the Earth over vast distances. Yet, history tells another story. Consider James Harris Rogers, a largely forgotten pioneer who built underground antennas during World Wars I and II. He successfully received European radio transmissions in America with crystal clarity using both long and shortwave frequencies. Why has this well-documented achievement been largely erased from our technical history? Perhaps some knowledge remains off-limits. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below.